Hey guys, so my friend Kenneth Bermudo, he sent me his Samsung Galaxy A7 2018, and it has a um, broken screen, in which I'm going to try and replace it with this. Can I do it? Let's find out. Watch this video. Okay, so this is the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 that was sent to me by my friend and Kenneth Bermudo. And what he said is he accidentally dropped his mobile phone. And after that, there's the screen. He cannot turn on the screen. He tried to connect it to his computer, but it was not detected by his computer. So I do hope that this is the only damage that this device acquired from the fall. So hopefully this did not damage anything inside. So let's try check. Because of the fall, by the way, it all the back cover also went loose, so I won't be needing any special tools to remove the back cover. So here we go, it's already been removed, and we are going to try and remove all these tiny screws, and I believe there's a total of 15 screws that I need to remove. So let's do this. Okay, so there you have it. As you can see, I was able to easily replace the my friend's Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 mobile phone, and I just did it in my room, my work area, in my workplace. Okay, because Ken is really very concerned with his files in his mobile phone, so I just uh, haphazardly replaced the screen in order for us to copy all his files in his mobile phone. But as you can see, right now I am here in my workshop so that I can easily remove all the residue or the glue residue, replace it with the double-sided tape, and then fix the screen and also the back cover. So, well, technically it's already working as you can see in the video, and there you have it. If you also want to replace the screen of, if you have a Samsung Galaxy A7, there are lots of options to choose from in the internet, like Lazada or Shopee. Mine, I bought it in Raon. This is in Quiapo, Manila. This is the like a surplus technology shop, or where for those gadgets enthusiasts who would like to fix their mobile phones. Actually, it's very easy to find rare parts, especially old mobile phones. Okay, that's in Quiapo, Manila. This is especially around this right beside Quiapo Church. This is where I got this screen. But let's say if you don't want to go out, just simply go ahead to Lazada or Shopee, and then you just make sure to buy the correct model or specification of your mobile phone. Like in this case, it's the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. Now, there are quite a few options to choose from on what screen you would like to use here. There is a TFT, there's LCD, there's an OLED, there's an AMOLED. The original screen that it's broken, original one that comes with the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 is a Super AMOLED. Now, unfortunately, the Super AMOLED right now, the price is roughly around 4,000 pesos, and this screen is roughly around 1,000. This is just an LCD, but it's working, it's viewable, it's good, and for me, this is absolutely fine. And I'm just going to use this on a daily basis, perhaps just to shoot some pictures or use this to watch movies. I'm not really very much in particular in the clarity or the quality of the movie. For me, it's whatever is the content of the movie, or let's say if I'm watching Tim Burton's films, just like that. Mostly these movies are dark. Okay, so I don't mind. I don't mind watching movies in an LCD screen. Okay, I'm used to watching movies in a very small screen before, so it's okay. This is good. So right now I'm in my shop and I'm going to fix this properly. All I have to do now is just clean up everything, remove the remaining of the glue residue, replace the glue, and have it glued back. So right now, this is working. Okay, so there you have it. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also please don't forget to share. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, and also try watching my other videos. You might like some. Okay, so there you have it. See you all in my next video.